Welcome to video lecture on management and entrepreneurship for IT industry. In this video session, I will discuss the concept of communication, that is the meaning of communication and the importance of communication. Communication is defined as the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Communication provides employees both the skill to work and the will to work. The process of exchange of information, ideas, and opinions, which bring about integration of interests, aims, and efforts among the members of the organization for the achievement of predetermined goals. It is the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Communication is the transfer of information from a sender to a receiver with the information being understood by the receiver. It brings the people together closer to each other. It is an important management function closely associated with all other managerial functions like planning, organizing, staffing, etc. It bridges the gap between individuals and groups through flow of information and understanding between them. Management is getting the things done through others. The people working in the organization should therefore be informed how to do the work assigned to them in the best possible manner. The communication is essential in any organization. The purpose of communication can be summed up into the following. Flow of information. The relevant information must flow continuously from top to bottom and vice versa. The staff at all levels must be kept informed about organizational objectives and other development taking place in the organization. The next purpose of communication is coordination. It is through communication the efforts of all the staff working in the organization can be coordinated for the accomplishment of the organizational goals. The coordination of all personnel and their effort in the sense of management which can be attained through effective communication. The third purpose of communication is learning management skills. The communication facilitates flow of information, ideas, beliefs, perception, advice, opinion, orders and instruction, etc. Both ways which enable the managers and other supervisory staff to learn managerial skills through experience of others. The next purpose of communication is preparing people to accept change. The proper and effective communication is an important tool in the hands of management of any organization to bring about overall change in the organizational policy, procedure, and work style. The fifth purpose of communication is developing good human relations. Managers and workers and other staff exchange their ideas, thoughts, and perception with each other through communication. This helps them to understand each other better. The last purpose of communication is ideas of subordinates encouraged. The communication facilitates inviting and encouraging the ideas from subordinates on certain occasion on any task. This will develop creative thinking. Communication is fundamental to the existence and survival of humans as well as to an organization. It is a process of creating and sharing ideas, information, views, facts, feelings, etc. among the people to reach common understanding. Now let us see what are the importance of communication. The importance of communication are it is the coordination of activity, expanding customer base, resolving industrial conflict, means to motivate people, connect geographically dispersed employees, effective feedback and control, maintaining good public relationship, and improves planning and decision making. Now let us see in detail about importance of communication. Coordination of activities. Communication is a very important aid in coordination of activities between various departments. One can imagine that without proper communication channel, the response time of various action expected out of individual in different department would increase, thus increasing the lead time of to perform the activities. Thus, communication is useful in improving the response time and reducing the lead times of various activities within the organization. The communication is important for expanding customer base. Organizations always strive hard to increase their client and customer base by aggressive brand communication and sales effort. It is unimaginable to win clients without appropriate communication of sales force of the organization with potential clients or customer. Communication is required even to win more business from existing customer or client. Communication is important to resolve industrial conflict. Communication plays a major role in avoiding industrial conflict in the first place. Despite of this effort, if such conflict happen, it immensely helps in resolving the conflict. For example, workers may be demanding pay hike while the management may be concerned about the corresponding hike in cost of production and competitive disadvantage in marketplace if the workers' pay is increased. It is important for manager to communicate with trade union leaders to bring about harmony and mutually settle the areas of dispute. Communication serve as an effective means to motivate people. Communication promotes motivation by informing and clarifying the employees about the task to be done. An efficient system of communication enables the management to motivate, influence, and satisfy the subordinate, which in turn boosts their morale and keeps them motivated. Next importance of communication is effective feedback and control. It bridges the gap between expected and actual performance. Communication is necessary for effective feedback and control of various processes in the organization. Communication helps controlling organizational members' behavior in various ways. Communication also helps in controlling function of management. The next importance of communication is to connect geographically dispersed employees. Information technology has opened up a new and diverse set of communication channels to connect geographically dispersed employees of an organization. The internet, email, blogs, mobile, telephone, video conferencing, etc. have become a part of our routine lives. It has become commonplace in organizations to create virtual teams whose members may be present in different locations but still communicate with each other seamlessly on activities and projects. Communication is important for maintaining good public relationship. The organization today strive hard to create a positive image about them before the public at large. The public relationship department has to continuously communicate with the media on various issues relating to the organization. This is done in the form of press release, press conference, and open houses. Communication improves planning and decision making. In the lack of communication, a good plan or decision may not bring the expected output. Therefore, even after the plan or decision has been finalized, it has to be communicated to all the stakeholders and implementers for its successful execution. Proper communication provides information to the manager which is helpful in planning and decision making. No decision could be taken in the absence of information. Thus, communication is the basis for taking right decision and planning. So, in this video lecture, we have discussed what is the importance of communication and the meaning of communication. Thank you for watching.